In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Ko-Fi account members now. If you are using Ko-Fi memberships or subscription tiers and want to keep track of the people who joined your community, then this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. Finding your members inside Ko-Fi is very simple, and once your payment settings are properly configured, you'll be able to view, organize, and even export your membership data whenever you need it. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Ko-Fi account. After reaching your dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where all the main menu options are located. From there, click on the Membership option. This section is where Ko-Fi manages everything related to subscriptions, recurring supporters, and membership tiers. Now, depending on your account setup, you may notice that you cannot immediately access the Members section. If that happens, it usually means your payment methods have not been fully connected yet. In order for Ko-Fi to properly track and display your supporters, you need to make sure your payment system is already connected and configured correctly through supported payment options. Once your payment setup is completed, return to the membership area again. You should now see sections such as Setup and Members. Go ahead and click on Members. This is the area where all of your membership supporters will appear. Inside the Members section, you'll be able to view the people connected to your membership tiers. Ko-Fi also gives you additional tools to help organize your list more efficiently. For example, you can apply filters to sort members based on different payment amounts or subscription details. This makes it much easier to review specific supporters, especially if you manage multiple membership levels. Another useful feature available in this section is the ability to export your member list as a CSV file. This can be very helpful if you want to keep records, review supporter information outside of Ko-Fi, or organize your membership data for your own workflow. You can also choose to include ended subscriptions in your search results. Simply enable the option for ended subscriptions, and Ko-Fi will display supporters whose memberships are no longer active as well. This can help you review past supporters and keep a complete overview of your membership history. And that's how you can quickly find and manage the members connected to your Ko-Fi membership tiers. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.